It often begins quietly. A mild fever, fatigue, a localized infection. The body detects invading bacteria or viruses. Immune cells activate. Inflammatory signals are released. At first, this response is protective. Blood vessels widen. White blood cells migrate. Chemical messengers increase circulation to the infected area. Locally, this works. But sometimes the signaling does not stay local. The immune system escalates. Cytokines, chemical alarm molecules, spread through the bloodstream. Inflammation becomes systemic. Blood vessels across the body begin to dilate. This is no longer just infection, it is a body-wide inflammatory state. Blood pressure starts to fall. When vessels dilate everywhere at once, circulating blood volume becomes relatively insufficient. Organs depend on pressure to maintain perfusion. Without adequate pressure, oxygen delivery begins to drop. The heart senses the change. It beats faster. Cardiac output rises to compensate. For a time, this masks the instability. On monitors, numbers may still appear acceptable. But at the microscopic level, something else is happening. Inflammatory mediators increase vascular permeability. Capillaries begin to leak fluid into surrounding tissues. Blood volume inside vessels decreases further. Tissues swell. Oxygen diffusion becomes less efficient. Meanwhile, clotting pathways activate. Tiny clots, microthrombi, can form throughout small vessels. This further disrupts oxygen delivery. Some regions receive too little blood. Others receive blood that no longer exchanges properly. Cells shift metabolism. Without sufficient oxygen, mitochondria reduce aerobic energy production. Lactate accumulates. Acidosis begins to develop. The kidneys, highly sensitive to pressure changes, reduce filtration. Urine output declines. Waste products rise. The lungs may respond with inflammation of their own. Fluid accumulates in alveoli. Gas exchange becomes impaired. Oxygen saturation may begin to fall. The liver slows its metabolic processing. The brain may experience subtle changes, confusion, slowed cognition. At this stage, compensation narrows. The body is still functioning, but reserves are shrinking. If pressure drops further, perfusion falls below critical thresholds. This stage is often called septic shock. Vasodilation persists. Capillary leakage continues. The heart may begin to struggle under sustained demand. Despite rapid pulse, cardiac output can decline. Multiple organs begin to fail, not simultaneously, but sequentially. Kidneys first, lungs next, cardiovascular system after that. Each failure increases strain on the remaining systems. The collapse does not happen all at once. It is progressive destabilization. A network losing balance. The infection itself may no longer be the primary threat. The immune response, designed for protection, becomes systemically dysregulated. Inflammation, clotting, metabolic shifts, vascular instability, all interacting. From the outside, the change can seem sudden. From the inside, it is cumulative strain crossing thresholds. Systemic collapse is not a single event. It is the moment compensation can no longer keep pace with demand. And by the time it is visible, The process has often been unfolding for hours.